Hello dear viewers, today we venture into a topic both timeless and transformative: the crucial role of community within Christianity. In a time where physical distances grow, we're reminded of the power and warmth of coming together in Christ. The essence of Christianity isn't just found in sermons or sacred texts. It's found in the way Mrs. Johnson brings an extra casserole to church, knowing a family might need it. It's in the children's choir practices, where voices, young and eager, come together in harmonious praise. Christ once said, "For where 2 or 3 gather in my name, there am I with them." This is not merely about physical presence. It's about shared faith, collective strength, and mutual love. It reminds us of the days of the early church as depicted in Acts chapter 2 verse 46-47. The believers broke bread in their homes, ate together, and the Lord added to their number daily. Consider the tale of the Harmony Church community. In Harmony, every Sunday wasn't just a day of worship, but a day of togetherness. When young Amy struggled with her studies, the youth group volunteered in shifts to tutor her. When Mr. Robinson lost his job, families pitched in, ensuring his kids had school supplies. These are not mere tales of assistance. They're testimonies to the active role of community in Christianity. Churches aren't built on bricks but on bonds. In Elmwood Town, when a fire engulfed the local church, it was the community's spirit that outshone the flames. They not only rebuilt the church but ensured that during the reconstruction, church services continued in community halls, parks, and homes. Let's travel further back in time, to the ancient city of Corinth. Paul's letters to Corinthians weren't just doctrines. They were responses to a community's concerns, questions, and thirst for understanding. It's evident that even then, community played a pivotal role in shaping, questioning, and growing in faith. Christian communities are crucibles of change. They challenge us, support us, and, most importantly, grow with us. Ever notice the sheer power of collective prayer? It's as if each voice, each soul amplifies the prayer's energy, reaching directly to the heavens. But the importance isn't just spiritual. It's deeply emotional and psychological. In moments of doubt, it's this community that reaffirms our faith. In moments of sorrow, they're the arms that hold us. In joy, they're the voices that amplify our laughter. As we come to a close, I'd like you to reflect on this. Our relationship with God is personal, but the journey is collective. Christianity, at its core, is about connections with God, with self, and undeniably, with each other. Thank you for sharing your time with us. If today's message resonated with your heart, share it. The strength of our community lies in its numbers and its faith. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, let's cherish and nourish the bonds that bind us.